Hey guys, it's Recent Rise and Sun Detail, and I'd like to present you this VY Commodore. It's in for a full detail. This is my own car I just purchased, and it's going to be a project for the channel. So my intentions is to get this car as good as possible. So it's going to receive a full detail. That's including the paint correction, a ceramic coating. We're going to dress all the trims and really just make this car pop. It's got 357,000 kilometers. It was purchased from Ferntree Gully Nissan. It's only had 3 owners. I'm the 3rd owner. But check out the interior. So clean. I've just detailed the inside about 3 weeks ago. It's going to need a bit of a touch up, but it's in very good condition. By touch up, I mean, things happen. There's a leaf there, but it is really clean. We're going to focus on all these plastics and trims, the paint, just an all-round detail, What do you reckon? It's a bit low at the moment. Will be getting raised. This is how I purchased the car, so it's going to get cleaned up by myself and then put on the market. Stay tuned.